Enti the Asante Defense Force from Avosa omo any abresa crowd na we say omo be fire back at Dormaahene any Samourdua efa nansem mu press conference at Samourdua ye na ya a odi animu no sebe o kasema na nkoti ayewura kasa de ewura nim ko twitwi fom na nkoti openso te ho en wo ye mmeranto asem Asante Defense Force abesend word of cautions to them na man tiremu no akere wadwen amame e wo comment section how you Penyah block media mesra say need mo obe like video no down but subscribe button sambe click notification icon of latest update na ba kere wadwen de amame e wo comment section so ba so no je first onya bia so it was last 2 weeks and I'm going to kere wo say yakwa sampa on say sampa ye wo legitimate chief e wo hono and ye wo illegal chief ye wo legal chief and ye wo illegal chief legal chief eye Nana Songwaja Fla the second or no and according to emremu any bibiemu ye tracking history or qualify as or qualify or sampa my hen akunya cases entino ye de nasi ama okọ national house of chief akọ gazette no me catch us asem no Abraham mentimase be da hono eye Samouduafo na busuan edin ka de call menhia enfie but evevozika okọta odika okọta na woni ebem ekobubo mu Otumfuo no ntwantro ekobubo mu hono mo ema enipa Otumfuo HUC no akonya na efata se de ma no yakọ gazette no e wo national house of chief but Samourdua omontiase omankata be force ahye mo hen ama omahye okoji aman the second Oma force ashe ne hene ewo ho mesi ya na abenya 2 chiefs ewo sampa the legal chief and the illegal chief. Now from the camp of the illegal chief no every day bia omo be press conference e dey say ye ready betwitwi form the legal eye omo hene na nkasa ohene small boy na say mo be kasa ye e ma mu no na say odi ewura tem nyina wo mu e be ka say enya nice na nkasa sa enya fe ana say enya fe na ba ka na say mu nchai ana omusa hia press conference no omo de ensemi to mahama anim se an sebe na akufo de teso no ana sebe anidie mu na o support Asante hene e ma ne ye bia jese ensemu a abarantewa we etena ho no tena mpanimfo anim ekeka ye no na nwanwa
sebe yasi ye kwan anka odan a o se contractor no na lechine Asante ni moja bi eniha ne honi pa bi eniha entini ekoso wasampa no enkano to otini fie na sabi o dis anya prasa we ne sabi na nanom emfranche ne isimu no e wasampa ne pono mo ha e don tira pono mai ye sorry tira ento aba de tia no na ki nim se ye man panyine na ote so sabre no obebie ni se aduasa mi no estine pi akira Asante ne se Ghana fo anto aba mawo Ghana me na me yama mpanyere me na me hwe ma ne nyina so tribe bi enhye tribe bi ase mayine bi enhye mayine bi ase kro bi a edine ho enhye obi ase na so ye nhwe ha ehwe no e ma ne di sanse bono yi sanse fon e wo pono mai ne sampa e ma ya dihye ehwe ya mia menua asa ene mi ofa pasa efiri mo ya Ghana man panyere wenti ene eto abama o papa nkutude gu form sada sayem nananom esro ya wo se Asante hene ne nkika wana odikoka MPP apan ma ne ho be ye hi Ghana fo to abama no empo etia no empo wasagi sani amana fore ene osori a o presidency Ghana man panyere sabe odi odo bia na ye ka chew Asante hene ono odowa ko onyi ono ani nana se ono ana titi no e wo ne fie se onko contest na onwi ne na graso ama na ye ne ni ama bone na oye no esansa ne nana na onwi ne no ene osori a odira opuna no o visitio o chiao e kotokoto papa lesro one wo esre kwa wasre na no wa mana ne tro.
And I was even asking myself say enti mpanimfo na obutiri sa kura ya sese ho no na nyanse ne obi atin so be kata atra kura we se jan kwase akeka no na nyanse ne obi atirim anase je se de mpanimfo mo pese mo ka ana mo posegu akura na num e no no timonim e ne wo keka tibo nkoso o timomani na wo keka mumu hwan betima ko gina yewura anim akeka nkwase ase wi akyere no mo amoteto no mumu hwan ana na fenso ma hene kwa mumu hwan betima ko gina fenso ma hene anim akeka sa bo nkwase akeka wi akyere no na mote ho na mo ye ne yodium ene wo keka nkwase ase na mo hwe no na busia sanse we na omuke kan ye no on se Dormaahene na hye Samourdua chi enum tirom de no mujimi e wo ho no mo eno ana Asante Defense Force aye avosa omo ani abresa crodom na omo be wo ne Samourdua ene Dormaahene na we ni nsem a omo ekeka
Odaroma enukwe yesu ye ho na nanse kura me sa kasai ema sampafo na be yima no na ye omu yima no ye de any problem ho omo no mo ba ha na eno omo court no ye no omo court no won se de omo tokwa na omo akoko ho ye tete ye ya nye ye ento omo ba court wo ha e de niema egugu omo ho ba enu ankosi aga niema omo mra ye makru we mo hu se ye ma kura ketwa be 30 years se bi me kura me gina o metima wo no no fa kamera nsi nanim wo Obama said ye hwe watade ye hwe odi ye interview wo de kasati asanteman hwe ushu bi ye hwe
Captain
table amudi ase ho any de amudi atutu
Captain Sha brand here now Shebi we own all these people. We are journalists, you are not bloggers.
yes
We are so for we don't want to classify as bloggers. Near can say Sha brand here now Shebi oti on ma o twa yam piano obafia na mafia obafia mon kan che area president Mahama so obafia Odaroma mon kan che the regional minister say ne see and I say uba arbitration in law uba na ba arbitration na fi ebu asem na asi we are telling the regional police command that he should be disciplined. We are telling the Inspector General Police Ira Yohunu that tell your people that they should be disciplined. Yeba headquarters so be salute you Sampa. Yeah, member. Sembe salute you. Let that same translate into Sampa and let discipline come to Sampa and check Ekoto Cashew. Cashew na Ekotono. Over the last couple of months, Sampa Assembly, Yema Agana buying 3.5 billion. The 3.5 billion the budget was 4 billion. Sampa Emma government 3.5 billion. They should deal with us with serious. They should show us respect, and we are going to show them respect. We are not going to allow them to allow this individual, these characters to misbehave. They will come after them. We don't want to come after them because Ira said Wakasam Amayati. But if they keep on behaving, we will come after them.
now the comedian is obusia omu tutu bi ede mane Dormaahene
na wasori na uko obi kuro uko obi traditional council obi traditional council na uko one to ma me akobo brekum hima mane brekum trankonyo omuni mu hwe na wasisa wonkoku saka won praye ene opeka afridoma ade adru brekum katofo so ya Asantefo what do you do kato because all we say there is a chief council issue kato ya modi bianani akosi asorafo akonya so a abusuani bi eye demonstration say oni pa kono amod na besie no wonya de hie wo krom ho yo no so pese osi abianani se wo hene eti mo ampere no wafa akire akosi abusuani bi achi e wo kato ho ko create problem papa wo ye problematic wo ye to say minim hwa ade fan dance syndrome no no kro anyone be what they can act normal but no one who that further well it will be no more dance syndrome be because on my attitude woman ye woman suban titi o kasa asem kwana sum and say some kind of cross assembly some ye bema no create problem and a many thing no create cross all this dance syndrome ni bia ne sentence eniema ma ohun so bi wo your friend say autism no ebini ne papa wo yi eto ko brekum ana brekum hima anasa brekum ade hye bi tamade no mo de bo wutiri mu a eka yo wan foto a wana ka ye eto ko na ka kofa ba watwe nkrofo wo chi ne bofo no mrante no mabawa chese brekum katofo ni nisa omdo omni bi no mepi omkrom se omkrom afi wona wo de watete wo de awie o hospital ebili leki won watete wo wie ana wasori afiri ho wo pese wo ya no create problem wo pese wo ya pese wo impose sa de no she and na practice na baba obi ele bi ho a wo bo bra ko no ni ma obema sa chance na mo yisu no age se mo bi e onu yisu omo no wi wo pese obi be yesa wo abra won pa ko no ni abusuabo Wo pese chinchin e twan. Brakum ebe sa wo. Abra wo na busuafo e wa sokore. Abra wo na busuafo e wa danse kwamena. Asem wodi oti bi wo hene fa. Na woduro. Woduro brakum abra brakum hima ni mu we. Brakum na wakotra kato. Aye wo se me be ni bibia se be ba ha. Aso be adi be dwuma ba hye misa. Ti be be he kwan. E kwan wo na utwa wo ye contractor utwa kwan. Sabi Otumfuo kwa sabi enya do sabi abra. Brakum owo autonomous power of brakum no. Wan kone na brakum so ko do kwan. Once say we be free man pause say we be free suta ko be free round so do ko brakum. It's as every traditional council needs to be respected and there is to be independent with their own traditions. Now wo fani na wo. Brakum ima betina wo traditional council buda. Brakum ima watam ne praye. Ana brakum di shebi atam ne praye. Atam sabi naso. Edi aba okro nho aba do pen. Edi masemini. What is all this in classism and autism behavior? And your body so do autism. As I say, you be the pen or baby. Bepa pay or ya dear, I will it. Because you know, what's the same we food in the cheek? We four, and mammy phone penny four. Yes, I'm mammy phone penny for when you are no poor betu for so poor. I don't know more than the Akuna for. One hour to mefa. And you better know almost so. On Messi so now, one tip down Mumuno, or when you're trouble causer, when you're problematic, when you're very problem, what go breakum for everybody? At my bed, why now flow breakum? I said, never saw so coffee, was a fear before Pam. One Pamushi, Sebastian free chromo cock. But first, I didn't know kitty problems are. Who got Sabi, Narachama Ponsa, one in the flip in Sabi and Yado, a baby beer more or be sino. Say any William. Or a Chancellor University. Say your education. Everything will be sino. It is all to see you say. Who Bunisa Wuniano? One was the same region. What person Cosrano? A quite pianist who Quansa Cosrano. No more Manasonte, with all due respect. For boo, my traditional council, no. Nakacho was said, Wuniano womo, or person Banabessa woman, never show no poor day. Now what to me Penyah home free Dormaahene? Would to me Penyah home free Dormaahene or Drobicum? I'm a fear play for us if you hook. Who can say, baby, I will be mamma, Pama, or no Dormaahene for Passiatem? My own creative problem will come. Now, why I was said, who creative problem? Now, won't you near Otumfuo the Beona creative problem? No, born something more. What cohort head? Wouldn't what is there? Soon as they were found. And there was some pro-regionals of the President Kekawuye. And they had yet shed their Sunyaye. Assassia wouldn't Sunya, he might say. What an airport, Nakrana. 1 year yarn, and who said, oh, you Nasa, Tim, or no so I come on Sabibi, as for Bedimati. And who said, Nadia Pass or Bedidi, said the Asante Martin, or Baye. And yet, who saw Casayabro for on cat. And then never could ye. Nana a jale, or could ye mind us all to other car? Nadia no so, one no dear, and Saban in the set. A problem only will be a million. One in the set, Papa soon I only will say. Wakasa now when they are now body structure and facial structure. I have to uncle for our Doma and a drobo and a guinea bone to Koyamo, send him sit here. Never Santa for a more on person who kill woman. So we are brought for a yash almost a room and what similarities are. And a man said, I just been some and I won't you know me about your bed in cost 9. A common sablon for you, a community. A come out with the wood now, most sablon for Mukumasa for a bear press conference. Casane. Ali, the first if you make your be a mechanic. Necessary call or can't. Or by the man who never can see ya. Can the same demonstration number yet? And dear Tamakas when this right is over. What's your more the assassin because will be on one you are to be a banana clamine. Now come in a war, you were disgraced to an animal. One of the chest of Blonum Kumasi, you were disgraced. One of us are going in a disgrace. More, Nasa, we are following me as a follow to Amoso, and then some, and I'm just assassin with you. And I want one Mobusia, e ka cham so mo no bobusia na mu tie donko sa banku anya mu fom so a mu ti ne sunya anyo wona mi sa sunya ti we kura titasi problem wo oba he mai wona mu tuche no na mu ka cha oba he ma so nsi ni hene no oba he ma be si ni wonu nua ba bonsantachi anwa ba obe si ni hene obi na mu sa free na chi na mo ne okoji afa sai okoji aman bo akoko ekoye baako ana na mu pini against oba he man na so woni mi sa problem wo ha wonua ba ne ko ho wo ko ko bi na to ni sa fro se bra fine ko sa ho ko so obi a opu hu a wodu hu ni na no mamamle ni amane won ko cha ko bom pa kan kwasa se wo a wo traditional council no kra wo timbo sampa ya obra won fie kra so wo ma won chai abra bo abu no ma 1 no ma 2 wo ma won chai ha abra che mesu wo bia no timi stop no owo yam galante na radi yakopo. You see, you are very evil. Well, you're very evil. I am quite surprised, sir. What about us to walk? Now, what is said being yard or tata, yes, just you are quite consumed not tell my bow against the traditional council. Nanambrum or buy him, ma. And they said, what any or better. Some not telling a baba or been trying to come young possess, and that's how you know a minute. That's how you know a minute. Oba pamu wo busia fo nya finance so ana ma police fo anchew na sa wo hema ko no he ko na ntimu ya adire pa na wo so wo hyase me chichi sa mranche maba wo no wona paso won kuro mranche maba pa je so wo ne si hire ma wo no ha o ti weru mu we bi mu he ona ko fie pe he di wa ko yo ho ona duma si hema na ya dance so le ye ni so de se mo ye cheche ame neni o chachre no ho uko dumase ti na wo dumase ka cho sensi ho amma ho ye power ni sasa na wo anti wo dumase ho wo pade wa sa de force ase so wo ka se fe ne bunu e to mo ye bunu fo ana ase sei obie nu o de sabon ku meche de class kwan da yusuf na chen maba wa no na sabi de ade wo no odi nya de kom de no de ade wo no ana wo di enya de kom de no unko siasam no mwasam amasesa enkura good social media so de hisam ko ana moye are tina ukuro mo tom na naji mabedu tina ukuro na sundie mra e won krofo ade tina council o tom tina ukuro na sabia nya do ni tumi abedu obi akuro so woni tumi won fie kwa ntimi ni so tina ukuro na chancho for mine da wo so kwa ekwa na wosi won wutimi kura ntu obia wo sa enne wo amasase de so tra wo kura mo tom na sumdie mra na krofo timi no mo busuafo ntnase no mo kom humom no busu o mahemfo o mo kom humom no butimi ya baako no mo mbiru o mo kuro ada na wo bonsam se ya ekwa ka na ya asem ana wo tra wo kuro edimbe nti na wo tra wo kuro wo koye cleaning up exercise obi ko abra wa mo ina mane na ifu okro mo no ato ahu aba na wagofo ado mranche no maba wo kura se kan ya dade bedo na wodi wo na se kan no ekuro fo ye o maje se wo no mbe kuro so tutu bo o mo e ade papa ya den tumi aba na gua se se mo mi enu to amoyi by force pa tenjen by force ade bi den soja. Brocha pemla tonsium. And the option is creating problems on people traditional council. Or creating of fear planning a castle. What the other whom or what we said machi, not fear preference and if I was here, Nyaka Otumfuo. Bon Santachi moi. A Sophia Predu. Brokum do. Dallas and pendant or for searching and the other friend and the shady land or Casacho or Matthias. And what's that copy? As a catoho. One day, a woman crophobia quatra catoho. Woman by force a co racato adicidium, yeah, dear. A man say catofo, a penny for Bowura to for, but Catirano. I must have ya the cockot. What do you hope for anybody? What do you cato for any? The so creative problem at all. Woman and wouldn't know what's a man, or be creative problem to Montem. Huh? I didn't. Uso ni anka wo se edi ni si ade wo wu awo Germany ha se Canada se Germany wo be ya arrangement akofa ni funu dia be fi wo nye krofo kromu adai adima badu sese krofo krose kan wo bedo e bi obi adwen hu so mo bedo no obi ewura ni fie ni wo feto pe onim sa osa na wo betu uko bi krom sa ko ede bade ha ani bre soja agasiga pente pominti mele obi frau si e ru adu go create problem e ye na de hu la no ko create fakoto ho na de chi demonstration ko create problem no fakoto to start problem abusuanim na koma envelope me binom ko create fakoto ho ha wo pesa wo set confusion ti woni abre pesika ni garamza wo ye wasase ko create fakoto ho fie browse obi akuntoko ho fie pre wo se ho fi wo se fi bi da fie pre ho enzo krom kwan ha no hini mo ho wa mo na mane ho mo hini mo amane se obekrom ho ohima e wa konto mu de da so de nam si fo obi enim se obekrom aso agodwiro moles fa ayini sande me fo ba ko fie pre ya wo fie pre wase se di pa freedom ma ko fie pre ya wo fie pre hwei ana na bi ezo eme wate o se wo fie pre ba buye mu hu we ya fie pre ba buye obi afro se bro bi kuro wona pra pro bi kuro man ha ejo pa chese se bi anyado ye ni council for because fie pre ba sunyai capital of the Bron region. It is said ye nyado ye ni kemefu anabi bisa odmu eprapra ho zubla yo fo ni ho ana said wo yin no no ti akonya so fie pu ni nya asase ne no ha ya wo so ho fiti ukrom pada na no ho wo di firi ukrom ba fie pra ebebe nearly 1.5 hour adai papa yi babu ye na o what I don't catch any say, catch almost ah. Yan, what do you move from Kurumadriha? As in the proper, Mamma be a money. Nancy a woman in proper. Move free Hancock. And a bad way, and a bassy bad by proper, bed in proper. Sister, Jaban on the cookroom. Someone Munya Sapa, Namuini, or yes, I am on a bit to the full. Now, so when you are about what you saw, come out with the dindy. Mami Penyah all you na ni monya because odonukuro. Mami Penyah odi na ni chichi form because of Odonahene. One so akofa hospital abeto. Abra ya sa 40 bi ko twa konfo noche. Abeto ma ye wuro hu ye bobo tietie ma ye. One so akotwa hospital, Presidential Hospital clinic na ho. Clinic ba ko pe na che ho no. Wa kotwa say what situation nye. Ba shed ye nkrofo fanye no. Be na Presidential I clinic no management team for aba betina say kasa and e kwa ye. Yes, be have an issue amochi na boss because of winti. O mo ne kwa hintie nyina. Na mo sabi wo die uti wo die ma wan kasa wo sabi krom ni a ono wote ayi so a ma me pani mu wo de na ni mo nyama tutu fom e koma mo 24 hours no hu ade na nya wo hu se wo fi dodo wo se di part da fom e breli ki fa kire apoto bi bra ho ma na tiri o musibo so wo muku no do ma no wo internet so no wa kama boafo abeboa fe de mo de ye no waja wori mu nyina de obi krom fi apiri o mo se mu firi wonko ujiro no bi de ade kwanyan no de bo otiri mu a o bebre mu hwan esa so bi toa wo krom a o timi ye de opa bi awu emre bile ni wo no bedi Bonsam Beni. What a Bonsam 7 in most highest level. Eh, yes, say. Abano a housing project. Abana kasa initiate say, Yanyano. Sunyan. Domani Faluku, a lawyer, and now I am regional minister. No, why you project in every Sunyan? Hey, you more. Sunyan is a promise in the gazette into a penny. Now there's Sunyan, a person of the first gazette, and I said, you run near Baho. You run near Bat National House of Chief for all. I'll call you my some more thing. Mwana mama papa. Nania break a first power found. Sajma Beruka could change Sikaku Gazette will be not found. But by this time, dear, and what can't radian, wouldn't match up a echo. Say and cancel and Chira Gazette him immediately. We contra, Asante mine. It's one go on a Muslim memma. I saw by Yana chopper the so. Ghana president, where not top as a move. Share project not meant to be in Sunyan. Project, I was saying a government house because Sunyan is the capital of a Bono region. It's our say government housing project, a Sunyan and a Bano location or how much you see it. Nanajima Beduni regional minister Kululu, ye project, regional minister government in the movie. Ye project in every Sunyan at the Kodoma, Yamfanyamo, Asante Defense Force. Ooh. Asante Defense Force, ooh, one the guase. Say, yen aname yen grata at all. One anani when you boni dijray. Fakata di brabo ntemi. I say, yes, of course, Dormaahene create problems in other traditional areas so that he can take all development to Dormaahene and no a broad regional house of chief ne share that here. A brand general mosquito see a rinketia. One by ye, echo thank you tall. Or share them making a certain statement to be. Na more Santifo mugu and ne political regime. Mama Munina Honamon sorry. Na Santini bien wo ye timid. Niamo ye timid said the anya would ya wukrimu chekanka with ya say. Na broad regional of chief making statement is I. Yes, I have Bruno ha, ne Bruno ni baby call the Bruno. Say Bruno team no okay. I say a Bruno regional minister. Yeah, Bruno ha. Baby, chieftaincy issue be ho. But the man kwa be ha be chieftaincy issue ba kokura Penyah. Yes, one mo can we. E dia chese do my stabilize. That's one one critical problem no. I don't talk Otumfuo area. Now all development ni na ro do call no ni person ase. Because of person competition nyan. The Krokanga Sam and an Otumfuo one na sunyani akola abegina and as nya is a bon unni emfa bo. Na yememu. Ye brebu sa okogi ama and so forth and so forth. Oh, baby. What would you brebu say? Does it mean or say does it even make sense to build a government housing project in the border town? Whilst there is a capital town where all the businesses are, what you will be on? Say government project, housing project too. A broad regional capital is Sunyan. Or more me say, Sunyan develop course about form. They can never change the identity.
Chedawa bi mama e wo comment section. Aha Penyah Block Media.